Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix HP hotkey support error, that is HP software framework is not installed or not running in a Windows computer. Now to fix it, the first step is to update available drivers through HP support assistant. So in Google you can search for HP support assistant and then just type in HP support assistant and then go to HP support assistant. You can download this. So click on download HP support assistant, and once the download is complete, run the exe file and install it and then open HP support assistant. Then on the left hand side here you can see fixes and diagnostic option. Now go to software and drivers. Now once you go to software and drivers, it will check for update. So if there is any update, it will show all the updates over here. You can select all your updates over here. So here you can see following updates have been installed by Windows Update. Following updates are no longer applicable for your system and have been removed. Click on OK. If you see any update, you can select all and then you can click on download and install. And once the download and installation is complete, restart your computer. I'm not going to download right now, but you can go ahead and download. And once the download is complete, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. The error should go away. Now still you're receiving the error. In that case you can go to HP website, so you can install HP hotkey support driver from HP website. So you can go to HP website. Now once you go to HP website, select click on drivers and software and drivers, and then select your device over here and then enter the serial number of your device. Now once you enter the serial number of your device, now you can select your operating system. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. Select your operating system. This is just an example, and then click on open all over here for all software and drivers. And then scroll down, you might see solutions, software solution. Now under software solution, you have to you have to find this HP hotkey support driver. So under software solution, usually it's there. So if you find under solution, software solution, if you find HP hotkey support driver, then you can install it, download it, install it. In my device it's not there. In your device you may find HP hotkey. So once you install this HP hotkey, now you can restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. You should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.